Hi, this is Sydney Blanchard, and today I'm going to be talking about Chapter 1 from How to Read Literature Like a Professor. Chapter 1 talks about what a quest narrative is by breaking it up into 5 different parts: a protagonist or quester, a place they're going, the stated reason they're going there, the challenges they face, and the real reason they go there. The difference between the stated reason and the real reason is that the stated reason is what motivates them or persuades them to go to their destination, but the real reason is something that they learn along the way, and it's the self realization or self knowledge that the protagonist gains. In the book, Foster provides 3 different examples. The first one being a story about a boy named Kip. He's our protagonist. He is going to the grocery store, that's where his destination is, and then he is going for Wonder Bread. That is his stated reason. The Wonder Bread is not the real reason, but it's a stated reason. Along the way, he runs into a couple different obstacles. He sees a girl that rejected him, and he sees a guy with a really cool car. And he starts feeling a lot lesser about himself. And ultimately, the real reason that the quest occurred was for him to be able to have the self realization that he wanted better for himself and he wanted to see what else there was in the world. So at the end, he goes ahead and talks to a Marine recruiter. But the real reason was for him to realize that he wanted to get out of his small town. And then an example from more recent literature is Oedipa Maas, who goes to Southern California to execute the will of her ex-lover. But along the journey, she realizes that she does not have to live her life in terms of men, and that she can focus on other things. It ended up not being about her ex-lover's will at all. And then a couple literary examples from current times are The Wonderful Wizard of Oz and then The Hobbit. In both of these, there's a common goal to get to something at the very end of their journey, but along the way, they learn things about their character. And even though they're facing challenges, they all overcome them and then get their goal, but also like learn something about themselves. And then this is my favorite, but Shrek is a quest narrative because it's demonstrating how Shrek is going with the initial stated reason of getting his swamp back, but along the way he hits obstacles of having to, one, go rescue a princess, Fiona, but then also a fiery dragon, and just other little things. It's a good movie, y'all should check it out. But his real reason of the quest was to find love and friendship, even though he didn't know that at the beginning. That's what ended up happening. And then the Percy Jackson series is a really good example of a quest narrative because the demigods are specifically going on quests. If you watch this clip, they go to their head leader at Camp Half-Blood and they ask if they're allowed to go on a quest to retrieve this golden fleece. So they already have the knowledge that that's what's going to happen. Thank you.